Check it out. So I got the iPhone 15 Pro Max 1 terabyte. I'm so excited. I love gadgets, and yeah, I'm just excited to record and create content on this thing. I typically create content on my iPhone 13. Sometimes I use a camera, but most of the time I'm recording on the iPhone 13. So I'm excited for the upgrade. I heard really amazing things about this camera, the 5x zoom, the log, right? So yeah, let's unbox this together and let's get it. All right, let's unbox this thing, right? So check it out. Real easy instructions. I love new stuff. Oh, look at that. Look at this thing, man. Let's get a close up. Wow, sexy. Wow, it's much lighter. Definitely a lot lighter. No scratches, no nothing. Look how clean this thing is, man. Wow. Okay, let's power it up. So I'm going from the 13 all the way to the 15. So I never had the island display, so that should be new to me. But look how clean this thing is, man. It's just, I'm excited. What'd you guys think about this navy blue though? Look at this. Whoo! Let's go. English. United States. Default. Let's looking for my phone. Looking for a nearby device. All right, bet. All right, so just got done stretching out, kind of, sort of. I'm getting older, so I gotta stretch out a lot more. But yeah, it's empty in here because it's super early on a Sunday, so everyone's like hungover or, you know, still sleeping from going out. So yeah, this is when I typically like to, you know, record my content because it's nice and empty. Nobody's judging me. But yeah, man, feeling good. Got a pre-workout in my system right now, bucked up. If you don't know it, now you know. And yeah, just ready to stay fit, you know what I'm saying? My birthday's coming up in February, so I wanna stay optimized. I typically warm up on legs. I'm gonna do back today, but I don't know, legs is just a good primary muscle to get the blood flowing, get some of that extra testosterone released. So yeah, it's my preference and it's been working. So I usually come up here just to think, count my blessings, things like that. I haven't been up to the roof in a long time, so just wanted to come up here and just look at these beautiful views. That's amazing, and it's a good day. It's just a good way to recharge for the new week coming up. So just very grateful right now. You kind of hear the water in the pool just dripping, and yeah, man, I just love it. So. scrambled eggs, turkey sausage with some hot sriracha. It's not good. It's good. It's good.
How that's actually made, and as filmmakers, you know, we're interested in that kind of stuff. We want to tell stories like that. The real side of actually doing that is quite important. So that's what I want to do in this video, is try and get some of that across. I know that like telling a story like this, it is partly an illusion. So, yeah.